saw your question here. Use this frequency distribution to answer the following questions. Identify the class with the greatest and least relative frequency. Looks like you're looking on the greatest frequency. And so, that's asking for the tallest bar. Obviously here's the tallest bar. And where does this occur? Well, the midpoint here is 40.5, but they want you to give these values that are halfway between the midpoints. Well, if you look from here to here, that's 38.5, the 40.5. That distance there. We're talking about 2 units. And so from 38.5 to 40.5, that's 2 units. We want to go halfway in between, and so that'd be 1 unit. And if you just add 1 to that, it's going to be 39.5. It's going to be 39.5 there. And I can similarly see by looking at it, 1 unit over here would be 41.5, which is the answers there. Hope that helps.